emotions. I'm trying to maintain, do it all to stay focused. That's the reason I'm loaded. I move in slow motion, I just can't control it. But fuck it, I'm toting. Strap bad like I'm sponsored by Trojan.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Dro Too Saucy, and I'm back with an even saucier video, man. And for all you guys who's trying to get waves and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? I know I haven't been doing a lot of wave videos, but that's beside the point. First of all, you guys start. What product are you using? What brush are you using? And how you guys can see, man, I have this brush right here. I got it from fucking Walgreens right here.
Hell no!
You know what I'm saying? Our Walgreens. I mean, it's not a bad brush, but it just doesn't do enough work. Like right now, I'm gonna use this brush for my showering time only. I'm gonna shower my hair with like when I shower, I'm gonna wash my hair with it and stuff like that, because it doesn't really owe anything to my hair, like, you know what I'm saying? But today, that's beside the point, man. Look. Whoa. I got a package coming. I got a package that came in today. Oh shoot, I dropped the knife. Alright, so we're gonna open this thing up. Open this thing up real quick, give me a second. You know what I'm saying? We got the Torino Pro brush, man. Look. You know what I'm saying? I got the brush. I guess that's the brand, the Brush King Torino Pro, man. I don't even know. Anyway, man, the color is pretty sexy, as you guys can see, man. Try to get it out the box real quick. Here we go, fellas. You know what I'm saying? A really nice, sexy, curvy brush. You know what I'm saying? Now this one right here will make you. Let me just try it on real quick. Oh man, I already can tell the difference already. Woo! I already can tell the difference. That is so beautiful, man. That is freaking nice. Warning: before you wash this brush, go to YouTube and search AJ Wash Method for Torino Pro and watch Justin Time's video. Also, there is a, what the fuck? What is this? I don't know what it is, but it is what it is, man. But like I say, man, this brush right here, man, ooh, man, it goes so smooth on my hair. Like, I'm not even playing though. Look, and I didn't brush my hair at all. Like, I didn't brush my hair at all today. But that's beside the point. I want to tell you guys what I use. You know what I'm saying? When my hair is super like, you know, dry and stuff like that. You can see I use this oil right here, Mane oil. You know what I'm saying? It's called Mane Growth Oil. That's actually really helpful. I put that in my hair and just brushing. You know what I'm saying? Just brushing. You know. That's pretty much what I do. But this brush is so smooth. Hold on, y'all. And also I also use the vitamin E oil. You know what I'm saying? You need some vitamin in your hair also. You know what I'm saying? I use that on my hair to make it a little softer, you know. And then I'll also use olive oil. If it focuses and stuff, I also use olive oil. You know what I'm saying? Put that on my hair sometimes. I almost forgot. Sporting wave pomade. Give me a second, y'all. Here we go. The Sporting Wave pomade. That's what I use on my hair. I mean, next week I got something coming next week in the package next week. But damn, bro, you making noise on the phone? Damn, brother, shit. Yeah, that's what I use, man. I put a little small. Why you screaming, bro? I'm doing a video right now, dude. So that's what I do. I put it in my hair, and we're gonna start the brushing session real quick. You know, I mean, I don't really brush my hair a lot. You know, that's how I brush my hair, man. I know I need to go to the barber shop and stuff like that. That's what I use for my hair and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, man, that feels so smooth already. It's like the brush takes every single piece of your hair. You know what I'm saying? It's so big, like it looks small, but like it's so big and wide and stuff, bro. Like it takes like, I don't know what to say. Like this brush is like nice, to be honest. Like, I give it like a 10. Yeah. Oh, a 9.5 or 10. You know what I'm saying? pretty much it. That's all I used. That's all I use. And I got this hair right here for the wave from Wavy Nick. You know what I'm saying? Website and stuff like that. In the velvet right here. That's what I use, to be honest. And then I'm gonna tie up my hair. That's pretty much it for the video, y'all. That's pretty much it, man. If I was y'all, I'll recommend to get this brush. If you have the money, get it. If you don't, well, too bad. Get some money. But that's pretty much it for the video, man. If you like it, subscribe and share it, man. I gotta go eat. I'm hungry. And pretty much it, y'all. I'm out.
Don't give a damn, drop a ticket, get you smashed, bitch you hate, you a fan, and your feelings, big man, bitch get on your shit then, we got pounds in the trap,